There is a very specific sound that happens in my house almost 5 times a day. Something is hitting the floor. Milk, cereal, ketchup, yogurt, and sometimes all at once. If you have a toddler like I do, you know that's not a rare accident. It's a lifestyle. Now, I work from home and I have a big house, and I genuinely hate cleaning. Not because I'm lazy, well, maybe a little bit, but mostly because it steals your time, your valuable time that you can spend with your family or work even more to make even more money. So when something spills, I don't want to grab these paper towels, wipes, rinse, release, redo again and again. I want it gone immediately. And it seems that I found the resolution. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am testing and reviewing the xLean TR1, the world's first dual-form transformable floor washing robot. Let's get started with all the tests. So guys, it comes in 2 different forms. One is a robot and the other one is a handheld wet and dry vacuum. How cool is that? Now in a robot form, it works as a fully autonomous floor cleaner. It maps your entire home using a 360 degrees LiDAR technology, which capturing over 5,000 points per second, and an RGB-D camera with a 44,640 3D sensing points for precise obstacle recognition. It automatically avoids carpets and covers 100% of hard flooring on its own. There is also reinforcement learning built in. It learns from how you use it in a handheld form, improves its obstacle avoidance, refines its path planning, and gets smarter the more you use it. All that to make human-like decisions across a wide range of real-world situations and gradually develop human-like obstacle avoidance ability, stock recovery, and more intelligent autonomous cleaning decisions. It also works with a real-time dirt sensor, which lets it deep clean tough stains and switch to a faster pass for lighter messes, up to 50% faster, while still delivering spotless results. Now, cleaning power. This is where I was genuinely skeptical at first, but absolutely amazed at the end. Because most robots I have tested either smear wet messes around or just cannot handle mixed spills at all. So I tested it with the stuff that actually ends up on my floor daily. Ketchup, eggs, coffee, cat litter, cookie crumbs soaked in milk. The real disasters. All thanks to my toddler. Now xLean uses a dual motor DirectSuction with 17,000 of PA of suction power ability and Vortex Matrix separation technology. It runs 2 rollers, each 10.23 inches wide at 400 RPM each, and this adds up to 800 scrubs per minute. And each roller has a 16 nozzles continuously spraying fresh water in real time, so the rollers are always rinsing themselves clean as they work at a real time. And there is a physical sliding cover over the camera that you can control manually, which I truly appreciate for the privacy wise. And now guys, here's another day of my life. My toddler just spilled Oreo cookies with milk. It's not just liquid, not just crumbs. It's a full mixed wet and dry disaster on the kitchen floor, and it's sweet, full of chocolate, so it's sticky. Now instead of waiting for the robot, within just 1 second, it transforms into handheld form. To do so, just simply grab the handheld stick. The robot will automatically exit the station. Then you connect the handheld stick to the robot body and you're done. You're ready to work. Same algorithm to return it. You just simply disconnect the stick from the robot and it is automatically gonna go back to its station. How cool is that? That's the easiest transformation I've ever seen, honestly. It has an electronic latch which locks the handle instantly. It also built with a direct drive motor technology with an omnidirectional power which assists and makes it smooth and easy to move in any direction. It's a lightweight and easy to navigate and maneuver all around your house. No complicated setups, no dragging a second device out of storage. Just grab and go. This is exactly why the handheld form exists, for unexpected messes which need immediate cleanup, and the robot that is across the house cannot help you right now. What that means in practice is that heavy spills, sticky messes, mixed wet and dry disasters, all gone in just one pass. No whipping, no smearing, no second round. The floor actually feels clean, not just rearranged. And now guys, you can see the napkin test. I am wiping the floor right after it cleaned this crazy cookies and milk mess, and immediately after just one pass, I am taking a clean napkin, wiping wipe the floor and you can see that the napkin is just wet. There is no any dirt, no any dark spots on the napkin. It's just simply wet. How amazing is that? Now, after cleaning, I can set it back on the OMNI station. It automatically washes the rollers and the entire internal system with 167 degrees by Fahrenheit hot water. Then it dries everything with 149 degrees by Fahrenheit hot air. Solids go into a dry bin. Liquids collected in a separate dirty water tank, no dust bags required, which saves around $120 over 3 years. And the transparent dirty water tank lets you see exactly what it picked up. Satisfying. And slightly horrifying, honestly. Now guys, for families with kids or pets, it replaced the need to choose between a robot cleaner and a wet-dry vacuum. It is 2 devices in one system. And for me, that means the next time something hits the floor, I do not dread that sound anymore. I ain't scared. I got xLean. Now guys, the xLean TR1 officially launches on Kickstarter. Be so very sure to check it out. You can deposit $50 through the link below, which will unlock an extra $150 off for the super early bird on Kickstarter, plus a $206 gift pack and an exclusive early tester spot. The link will be down below and the description box. So guys, if you only invest $50 today, it's gonna be equal in $356 of benefits. That will get you the biggest available discount, a cashback, and an exclusive perks. Be so very sure to check xLean TR1 out. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments to this video. And guys, be so very sure to check xLean TR1 out. I will leave you all the information once again at the description box down below to this video of mine. It is launching on Kickstarter, so be so very sure to go and back them up as I just did. And that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.